I made a mistake, and now my brand new patio table has the scars to prove it. Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Yaheetech Outdoor Dining Table for 6, and this is a sponsored collaboration. But trust me, I've got the full truth for you. Let's get into it. It took me about an hour to put this together, and it was actually pretty straightforward. One tip though, don't assemble it on concrete like I did. The metal is sturdy but not immune to scratches. My concrete assembly caused a few tiny ones that I wish I could take back. This table is marketed as being for 6 people, but I'd say it's on the smaller side for that. Outdoor chairs are typically kind of large, but if you have compact outdoor chairs or folding chairs, it totally works for 6. Otherwise, plan on 4. I worried that, as an online product, this might not be as heavy-duty as patio tables found in stores. The top came in 3 pieces, and they were attached together with screws, bolts, and bars. The result is quite sturdy, but it does bow a little when I move it from one place to another. But once it's in place, the top is completely flat, and it's heavy, so I don't see this thing blowing over in a summer storm. And though the powder-coated finish is not scratch-resistant, it has what seems like a pretty good water-resistant finish, which is a big plus for me, as patio furniture can look very weathered very quickly if it doesn't handle water well. And I like the clean, simple, modern design. So would I recommend it? Well, remember the mistake I mentioned. Yeah, if you're buying this table, do yourself a favor and assemble it on grass or a drop cloth. It's not a deal breaker, but it's one of those things I wish someone had told me. Overall, it's a solid option if you're looking for a sturdy, affordable outdoor table. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.